What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So we have our second update on the Porsche Cayman from Fujimi. This is for the Porsche group build, and this thing's actually really simplified. To be honest, I should probably save this kit for the 48-hour group build, but whatever. But it's a nice chill build. So let's go ahead and do this quick update. I'll show you everything before it gets patched up. So here is the interior. That's really the whole interior. This thing is really detailed for what it is. It's only 99 parts in this kit, but it's very, for what it is, there's a lot of detailed parts. So we did the interior in just black. This is NATO black from Tamiya. It's just, you know, like a more a duller black, you want to call it, you know, not as poppy, or not as dark, I should say. So we got that, and then we got some silver in the radio system. So, and we got some black in the vents and stuff, and you know, flocking here and there. But yeah, pretty basic interior, but yeah, it looks really nice. It's a nice make a cargo net back there, which is pretty cool. So yeah, the interior is pretty nice. It's, for what it is, you know, it has some molded in seatbelt buckles, so paint that red obviously. So yeah, very nice, and yeah, I really dig that interior. It's small but nice at the same time. Another basic thing is going to be the chassis. Again, curbside, but not a big deal because this is a mid-engine car, as you can see right here. So that's literally all you see on the engine. So you're not going to see any of this up here because, again, it's completely under the interior. So it doesn't matter if it's a curbside or not. But nicely detailed on the engine. Fujimi molded this engine, you know, block in the chassis very nicely. So we painted that just aluminum. We got the exhaust, we painted it in chrome, and we did some heat shield or heating. It's called heat metal or metal heat, whatever the heck it's called, from Alclad. So that looks really good. But yeah, very nice exhaust setup this car has. Fujimi did do that very nicely. So if you do tip it over, you know, it's pretty nice. And then up here, nothing all you're gonna see. It does have opposing steering, so that's pretty cool. But other than that, the rest of the chassis is pretty basic on these Porsches. They're mostly aerodynamic, so, but yeah, very cool. I'm actually really digging that engine bay, so that turned out really good. The wheels and tires, here they are, so very cool. So we painted the wheels in gunmetal. I was thinking doing black, but I was like, you know what, let's just break up the car a little bit because the car is pretty dark alone, as you can see. So just did some nice gunmetal wheels, so very cool. We got the yellow or red head hubcap in there. We got the yellow brakes, so very cool. But yeah, very nice. So the tires turn out good. So those are the front ones, and these are the back ones. Yeah, they turned out really good. I'm really happy how they turned out. Then the last piece is gonna be this body. Has a bunch of fingerprints on it, so my bad. But we got it all polished up and it's looking really good. We do got the black trim on there. The black trim, you can't really, it's actually not noticeable, so you do have to mask it off. You know, with masking tape, you can't just put the masking tape on and just cut it with a knife. That's not doable because that panel line is not existed. So just had to eyeball it, but it turned out good. So that's pretty cool. And then yeah, the color turned out absolutely amazing. I'm really happy how this color turned out. I want to do a blue because, like I said, I have a lot of blue in my paint bin from Splash Paints. So I figured let's just use a blue up. And I just kind of, you know, looking at blues. And this one I thought kind of stood out. And yeah, I'm actually really digging it on this car. It looks really good. If you actually take it out in the sun, it actually does have metallic in it. And get my fingerprints off there. That would really help. But yeah, very cool. So nothing left to do, just get the windows in there, put the headlight buckets on, tail light buckets, and then slap it onto the chassis, and then, you know, just do minor parts here and there. So very cool. And then one little piece we'll show you is we got the glass, we got the black trim on there. Fujimi was kind enough to provide the maskings for the windows, so that worked out good and saves me time. So yeah, very cool. But that's literally it. That's about it for this update. And the next time you'll see this will be the final. But other than that, guys, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you next time.